Removing fields from EverWebinar is a straightforward process, and in this quick explanation, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Stick around, because I'm also going to show you a way to access EverWebinar completely for free with some exclusive bonuses. First things first, why would you want to remove fields from EverWebinar? Maybe you're trying to streamline your registration forms and keep them clean and simple. Whatever the reason, getting rid of unnecessary fields can improve your user experience and lead to higher conversion rates. Let's get into it. When you're logged into your EverWebinar dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the registration page section. This is where your registration forms are located. From there, you can see all the fields that are currently included in your form, such as name, email, company, etc. Next thing, click on the Edit Form button. This will open up the form editor, where you can easily see and modify the different fields on your registration page. You'll notice that all the fields are listed here, and you can toggle on or off the ones you want to keep or remove. The fourth thing, to remove a field, simply click the delete icon next to the field you no longer need. A small confirmation box will pop up asking you if you're sure you want to delete that field. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm, and it will be removed from your registration form instantly. Another quick tip is if you want to make sure your form is only showing the fields you really need, you can also edit the existing fields, like changing their labels or making them optional. This can be especially useful if you want to collect specific information from your attendees without overwhelming them. Now, let's talk about testing. After you've removed the fields you don't want, always make sure to preview the registration page. It's simple to do. Just click on the preview button at the top of the page and make sure everything looks good and functions properly. This is your chance to see if your changes have worked and if everything is still working smoothly. Here's something important before you finish up. If you haven't started using EverWebinar yet, or you're considering a different platform, I have an exclusive deal for you. You can actually access EverWebinar for free through the first link in the description below, and with this exclusive offer, you'll get a special bonus to make your experience even better. Don't miss out on this. So, now you know how to remove fields from EverWebinar and make your registration form much cleaner and more focused. This simple process can help you increase conversions and improve your attendee experience. Before you go, don't forget that you can get an extended free trial of EverWebinar by using the link below. Take advantage of this bonus today and make sure to check out all the great features that can help you run successful webinars. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.